So, good day everyone. I am Kent MK. I am a student of the Northwestern Mindanao State College. By the way, so for today's video, I discuss one of the philosopher named Isaiah Berlin. So, who is Isaiah Berlin? So, Isaiah Berlin was born in 1909 in Riga, Latvia, dead on November 5, 1987 at the age of 88 years old. So, Jean Bodin, I see, Isaiah Berlin was Oxford's United Kingdom and influenced by John Rawls, Charles Taylor, and John Gray, Bernard Williams, Michael Walzer, and more. So, influenced by Stuart Mill, Karl Marx, Niccolo Machiavelli, Mostiki, Leo Tolstoy, and more. So, exposed by Allen Halban in 1956 and 1997. Parents of Isaiah Berlin was Mary Volhonok Berlin, Mendel Berzovich Berlin. So Berlin's theory. He argues the basis of the epistemic and empathetic access we have to cultures across history that nature of mankind is such as a certain value. So the importance of individuals is liberty. For instance, we hold true across the cultures. This is what they meant by objective voluntarism. So when we say voluntarism is a recognition by the acceptance of diversity within society and organization. So, particularly in the group of terms belief, values, and cultural backgrounds. So, it involves respecting and accommodating different perspectives, ideologies, and identities without necessarily endorsing or agreeing with them. So, when we see voluntarism, kanang nagkuan siya sa as a group of terms kanang sa values, cultural backgrounds, and the example of voluntarism is to diverse neighborhood where people various cultural backgrounds, religions, ethnicities live together with a peaceful. So kaning ang voluntarism is kanang usa siya ka kanang pag himo o kanang mga singin ani it emphasize the kanang balaod or each individual's retain unique beliefs, practices contributing and rich tapestry of community. So, virtues and values of a Isaiah Berlin. The virtues is he emphasized the importance of recognizing, respecting diversity, human value. So, when you see virtues ni Isaiah Berlin kanang nag-emphasize daw kanang as a human value. So for example, a human value kanang nakay katungod na mo pili sa imong angay mong kanaang na katungod ning mga angay nimo nga kanang kwaon or else kanaang gusto nimo nga nagig ikaw ra sa imong ikaw ray nakabalo. So the advocate by society to embrace multiple perspective rather than imposing single monolithic ideologies. And the values of Isaiah Berlin is it involved by tolerance and recognitions voluntarisms. He believes the importance of safe guarding personal liberty and autonomy while also respecting the diversity as a human values and perspective. So, ang pasabot sa iyang values ni Isaiah Berlin, so kitang tanan na gitay kanang singa ni liberty, freedom, tanan nga kan kay gihimuan na tag freedom tungod kay para mahanay or kanaang dili bitaw magkalinrakas ang tao bitaw kay panalitan wala nang freedom unsaon na lang sa atong sa tuang kanaang kaugalingon ug walay freedom watay freedom nga mo choose sa atong gusto mo choose in religion or kanang wala kay privacy sa imong kaugalingon ba mo na ikaw ni Isaiah Berlin. So the principle of Isaiah Berlin was a negative liberty refers to absence of constraints or interference by other individuals pursuit of their goals and desires. So, kani yung principle kay nagkuan pa sa the absence by external constraints does not guarantee that prevents or resource that opportunities necessary for individuals to pursue their goals, desires, and other words. It doesn't ensure equal access the opportunity of resource which is often referred to the positive liberty. So, for example, freedom of speech. Usa na siya kakuan sa principle ni Isaiah Berlin kaning freedom of speech. So, kita na tao nagitay katungod na ma-express atong mga opinion sa into one another. Second is a freedom of religion. Mo ni akong gingon na freedom of religion. So, freedom religion was a people are free nga mopili usa ka relihiyon kung asa siya ganahan mo simba or for example kanang Katoliko. So, na sa ako as akong kagalingon nakoy kanang kuan ako nga dito ko mosimba sa Katoliko kay kanang dito ko ganahan napayuban na maanapod na dito ko pug ko sa iglesia kay murag tuara man dito gi ko ganahan ana mo nay ko ana freedom of religion. And the second is right to privacy. So kitang tanan nagitay privacy sa isig katawa nato. For example na lang kanang ato ang Facebook. Ang atong Facebook kita ra gyud nakabalo sa atong password lisod pod og kana ang tagaan nato ang atong barkada og password nya naday kay kana ang mga sekreto dito nim na gibutang. So kan may kay right to privacy. So and the second is morality. So Berlin's morality revolves around the ideas for respecting individual. So ang morality mong na morality ang morality nga na kon ni Isaiah Berlin kay tungod para natay respeto sa usag-usa nato to pursue own conception of a good life while also acknowledging the need for tolerance and understanding of other perspective. So when we say morality to emphasize the individual freedom and own idea or falling lives does not empathy that one's actions are free consequences that individuals are absolved or responsibility for this choice. For example kanang LGBT community free, so na sila katungod na tagan og kagawasan kay isip respeto o pagtahod sa ilahang gipili nga kanaang ilahang gipili na sexuality nila nga ang lalaki mahimong bayot nga ang babae mahimo pong tumboy. So mo na example sa iyahang morality. And second is ethics. One of of his key contribution is the concept of value voluntarism, which suggests that there are multiple conflicting values that cannot reduce to a single force acting principles. So, principles is ethics is refers to ability nga na kay sa isig ka individual nato maka desisyon gyud ta na sa atong kagalingon nga makabuot gyud ta sa atong buhay. The value of voluntarism to key contributions ethics posits that exist numerous often and conflicting values that cannot be distilled in a single overarching people. So, this quote of Isaiah Berlin. So, liberty is a liberty, not equality, for fairness or justice of human happiness or quiet conscience. So, pasabot na ng liberty is a liberty, not equality is to emphasize the importance of perceiving individuals free on without necessarily guaranteeing this other value. So, kagawasan, maong kagawasan, dili pagkapareho o katarungan o kalipay sa tawo o sa mahinayang konsensya. So, kaning ang kaning base quote niya mo gay kana ang ako na siyang gipili nga base quote kay tungod kay nakita po nako nga naay kagawasan ng tanang tao tungod kay lahi-lahi man tao kana ang prinsipyo sa atong isig ka tawo mo nang mong gitawag siya liberty, kagawasan sa usa ka tawo nga mopili og reliyon matang balik niyo mopili ta og kana ang unsay ato ang gusto. So that is my report and thank you. Katugaw na ko sa natulog dire.